Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through one of our recent trade-ins. This is going to be a Crest 270 Continental twin engine. That's a lot to say. This is a 27-foot twin engine pontoon boat. As you step aboard, you're going to notice that Crest on this line did tons of fiberglass throughout. It's going to be a shiny metallic, so it gives you some pop and gives you some extra luxury. You'll have some pop-up armrests for your forward-facing loungers. You're going to have a Clips audio system and some nice bow rails. So while you're going across the lake, you can have something to hold on to or tie your fenders off to protect the side of your boat. This will be a tri-tune, so it's going to ride very phenomenal. Special to this boat is going to be the windshield and the bimini option. This will have a full camper enclosure package, so you can snap in here and zip in up at the top, and this will encapsulate your cockpit here, so you can turn this into a 3-season boat. It is very nice if it's early spring, early fall. You can still get out on your boat. You're not having to worry about the wind, or if it's a nice little rain shower, pop up your isinglass and go through the inclement weather. On board two over here at the helm, you have a wonderful setup. Nice little lockable glove box, oversized helm chairs with bolsters to help you sit above that windshield or below. And here at the dash, the customer added a wonderful option on board. They have opted to add a joystick on board. This is going to make docking a breeze, especially for people that are learning the two sticks together. You can put them in neutral, activate your joystick, and you can control this boat like you do bigger cruisers and maneuver it in and out of the slip with ease. You'll have Garmin electronics on board, which make this boat very user-friendly. Here on the back, you will have a nice U-shaped seating with a center backrest that is hydraulically operated, so you can have it up, back a little bit, or all the way flat to have a nice sun pad. Here on the back, you will have a tow bar for all of your tubing and skiing needs with a center ladder. We'd love to show you this boat. It is for sale and it is available on our sales dock right now. So give us a call today to set up your appointment.